In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account on Wise. Linking your bank account with Wise can simplify your financial transactions, making it easier to send and receive money across borders with just a few clicks. So let's dive right into the process. Begin by opening your Wise account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile section, often located in the upper corner of the web page or app. Clicking on your profile reveals various options related to your account management. Next, navigate to the Settings section. Within Settings, you'll find an option labeled Payment Methods. This is your gateway to managing how you send and receive money through Wise. It's a crucial stop on our journey as it will guide us toward connecting your bank account seamlessly. From the Payment Methods menu, you should spot an option for Connected Bank Accounts. This is where you manage which bank accounts are linked with your Wise account. Click on this option to proceed. Now, you're ready to connect your bank account. You'll see a button that says Connect Your Bank Account. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking up your bank account with Wise. Wise's interface is designed to be intuitive, but if you ever feel lost, you can always backtrack and review these steps. At this juncture, it's important to note that Wise currently supports connecting bank accounts from 3 countries: the US, the UK, and Canada. It's always a good idea to ensure that your bank account is domiciled in one of these countries to facilitate a smooth connection. If your bank is not within these regions, Wise is continuously expanding its services, so keep an eye out for updates regarding new countries being added. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to link your bank account with Wise. This connection not only makes managing your finances more convenient, but also enhances security as transactions are conducted within the trusted Wise system. Remember, if at any point you run into difficulties or have questions about specific features, Wise offers robust customer support and a wealth of online resources to assist you. Being informed and vigilant is key when managing your financial accounts online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped make the process of linking your bank account with Wise clear and straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides tailored to help you navigate the digital financial world. Until next time, take care and happy transacting.